Hi, bead billing at Palampur in Himachal Pradesh mountainous landscape is the best place in India for adventures in paragliding. That's why there is an abundance of paragliding operators there who offer short, medium and long flight sessions. The billing takeoff point is Asia's highest and world's second highest at about 8200 feet above the sea level. Beed and Billing are actually two different places, 14 kilometers apart. Billing being the takeoff point and Beed the landing site. This place is famous among gliders because it is known for hosting the first ever Paragliding World Cup in 2015. As it hosts the international competitions, it brings celebrities to it all the more. Adventure seekers visiting McLeodganj mostly visit this place. Although the distance is not much, by road it takes about 3 hours to reach this place from McLeodganj on account of hilly terrain and curvaceous roads. Generally, Beed Billing remains open for paragliding from mid-September to June. In July and August, the valley remains closed due to heavy rainfall. October and November are the best months for paragliding. The paragliding competitions also take place during this time. The average price for paragliding in Beed Billing is about Rs 2000 for approximately 15 to 20 minutes flight. It includes ride on their vehicle from their booking office to the paragliding site plus videography. This is tandem paragliding and it is for those who are inexperienced and want to enjoy paragliding. In this, two persons fly with single paraglider. One among them is an experienced and well-trained pilot. There are some other packages for the medium flying, long flying and the cross-country flying with varying durations of flights. Before ride to the site of paragliding, you have to sign a risk certificate. You should be mentally and physically fit. Proper clothes and clothes shoes should be worn. You have to wear helmet all the time during flight. Also, you should avoid consuming heavy food or alcoholic beverages immediately before and after the activity. Now, the actual process. They will get you ready for the flight. First, you have to wear the helmet. Then they'll strap you into your harness. You and your pilot will be connected to each other and to the tandem paraglider. Once conditions are good, after a final checkup of all straps, a few steps are taken forward to pull the glider into the sky. Then you have to run in the direction indicated by your pilot. The most important thing is not to sit down until your pilot tells you, and soon you will be paragliding. You have to hold camera stick for video making, which is also tied to your wrist. At times, the pilot sets it to different directions. The chair you sit on is like a comfortable lounge chair. You can enjoy the rush of wind while soaring through the skies of Beed Billing. Depending on the weather, you can come across fog in the beginning. While gliding over Dhauladar ranges, you can experience lush green fields, beautiful water streams and nature's bounty. It's an amazing experience. You can get an aerial view of rocky hills while hovering in the skies, safe and secure in the harness. Before landing, you are guided to keep your legs parallel to the ground. Your pilot will land gently on his feet on grassy fields. In a nutshell, one must experience such opportunity to soak in the astonishing panorama of bead billing amidst the national safety protocols. Just glide through the blue sky, dotted with cottony clouds, and the adrenaline rush is surreal. Believe it, this is based on my personal experience.